Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create TikTok trending photo transition using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you how we can create the TikTok trending photo transition using CapCut. To create that TikTok trending photo transition, we're going to use template from the CapCut. So I'm going to go to the templates menu and then here we can search for the trending photo transition. Just type in trending photo transition like this. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates you can use to edit your photo, and you just need to select the template that you like. And for example, I'm going to select this one guys. Okay, and we're going to replace the photos in this template with our own photo. I'm going to click on use template right here and we can choose the photo from our gallery. I'm gonna go to the album, my photo album. Wait guys, I'm going to go to the pins folder and I'm going to select a random photo from here. Okay, we need to select 6 items and after the items have been selected we can click on next. Okay, and wait for a moment guys. Okay, now the photos in the template have been replaced with my own photo and this is how it looks. Okay, and then if you are not satisfied with the photo or you want to replace it, you can tap on the photo and then you'll be able to replace it or adjust the photo by clicking on the crop menu. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export and you can select export without watermark to remove the CapCut watermark, and you'll be able to select the resolution as well like this and then click on export without watermark, and you just need to wait until the process completed. Okay, now it's done guys, and we'll be able to share this editing to our TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create TikTok trending photo transition in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.